Hey everyone, welcome to day 6. Want to learn how to use the verb draw in different tenses? Let's go. First, simple present tense. She draws beautiful pictures every day. In Telugu, ఆమె ప్రతిరోజు అందమైన చిత్రాలు గీస్తుంది. Next, we have present continuous tense. She is drawing something right now. In Telugu, ఆమె ఇప్పుడు ఏదో గీస్తోంది. This is the simple past tense. She drew a sketch yesterday. In Telugu, ఆమె నిన్న ఒక స్కెచ్ గీసింది. Now, let's see past continuous tense. She was drawing a portrait during the class. In Telugu, తరగతి సమయంలో ఆమె ఒక చిత్రాన్ని గీస్తోంది. Finally, here's the future tense. She will draw a masterpiece tomorrow. In Telugu, ఆమె రేపు ఒక అద్భుతమైన చిత్రాన్ని గీస్తుంది. Save this reel and practice your tenses. Let me know in the comments which verb should I cover next.